issue of the West Philippine Sea remains to be a question forever until such time that, we can take it back. Ang akin yan is walang iba, gera lang. If we promote a war against China and America, medyo siguro mamadalian. Pero at what cost to us? Ayan ang problema. Yan talaga ang problema. But we can retake it only by force. There is no way that we can get back the tawag nilang Philippine Sea without any bloodshed. Yan talaga ang totoo. Baski na anong sabihin ng mga military, may iba dyan, alam ko na na walang ginawa. You know the cost of war. And if we go there, and really to find out and to assert jurisdiction, he said it would be bloody. It would result in a violence that we cannot maybe win.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.